Driving traffic to the landing page. Since the idea of a landing page is to get more leads, you need a call to action that compels your audience to visit the page you have built for them. That is called driving traffic to that page. And if you need your audience to click on a link and visit your landing page, you need to give them a prompt. That is called a call to action, or CTA. And often you need compelling CTAs, which are more specific. Now, your end goal on the landing page could be anything from subscribing to your list to getting a free trial to your service or product. All of that starts with getting your audience to visit your landing page. Start by giving your audience referral content. What does that mean? Write a good copy that showcases your brand and inspires the consumer of your content to know more. So wherever you are advertising your landing page, you need to give them information and tease your product or service. The trick is to give them just enough information that develops an appetite for more. Another way to get free traffic to your landing page is by joining forces with other blogs relevant to your industry. When you are able to forge such partnerships, you build a relationship with their audience, who are already likely interested in what you have to say. Some of these partnerships can also be turned into affiliates in the future. It's all about you scratch my back and I scratch yours, for mutual gain. While you're at it, you might also want to look to their reader comments and pick up what is applicable to your product or service. Reader comments are a priceless asset because you get the news from the horse's mouth. Networking is one benefit, but don't forget that you are there to bring traffic to your page. Then there is the aspect of paid traffic. If you have the budget, you can reach out to sites like Taboola, which help content creators to get high-quality audiences. Publishers across the globe use these services to promote products and launch sponsor ads. There are instances where services like Taboola have increased traffic on other websites by 10 times, which has led the business running the landing page to even launch into new markets. When you are ready to pay a certain amount, there is more than one way to increase audience engagement, and as a result, increase traffic. You can get into paid ads, which is an advertising strategy. This is a mechanism where ads are created to show up on search pages. Google AdWords is a good example of this. It is a pay-per-click platform where a publisher can bid on specific keywords and get a chance to be placed right on top. Brands usually bid on popular keywords relevant to their websites or landing page to drive traffic back to their home turf. You pay a price, but the results are promising.